Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to talk about how to turn off vibrations on your iPhone. If you have someone who doesn't like the physical feedback that your phone gives you, or if you just find it annoying, then this video is for you. So let's get started. There are a few different ways that you can turn off vibration on your iPhone and choose exactly when you want your iPhone to vibrate and when it should not. The first thing you want to do is hop into your iPhone settings. Once you're in your iPhone settings, you'll want to tap on the Sound and Haptics. Here you'll see a few different options for haptics, which is basically a vibration. If your phone gives you a physical feedback to turning something on, typing on the keyboard, getting a phone call and so on. Now you can choose to turn off all these haptics. You can scroll down and see options for keyboard feedback and make sure the haptics is turned off there as well. But now, what we will want to do is say go into the ringtones here, and you can see at the very top is vibration. You can tap on it and then choose none here at the very bottom. You can then go through the list of ringtones, text tones, voicemail, mail, calendar alerts, and all these and switch to vibration just by going in there, going to the top and then switching the vibration to none here. And it will turn off the vibration throughout your iPhone. Of course, you can always customize this if you want a vibration for specific things, but not for other things. So you can always customize what exactly you want to get vibrations for or not. And that's it. That's how you turn off vibrations on your iPhone. Hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.